Alright, so we're over here at Josh's house. I did kind of make a little video, but I'm just not even going to mention it or whatever. But we're over at Josh's house. I didn't mention it before, but he bought a black Jetta. I'll show a little bit more, like cut in some videos of it and stuff. But right now we have to replace the radiator because it's leaking out like the bottom, middle of it. And there's a couple of pieces over here I'll show you that he also ordered that are aluminum, and we're going to go ahead and swap them into. So, you know, don't have to worry about the plastic cracking later on or anything. It's only got like 144,000 miles on it, so it's pretty low mileage on it. It's a 1.8 turbo. That's pretty much it. It's just a wagon. Gonna have fun with it soon. We'll see. But here's the parts I mentioned right here. This plastic piece right here. If you can see all that white stainage, that's all just water where it's leaking. It's kind of has like a hairline crack going down like right there and right down over here. So that's a part that he got that's aluminum. This part right here as well, it's aluminum. He also did get new boots for like over in the intake, the turbo boot and all that kind of stuff. So I'm probably just going to put it on time lapse for a little bit. We got to take off the rest of the front, and then we're going to take off the radiator, put the new radiator on, and do all that junk. So, hell yeah. Alright, so how I have my phone propped up is like over in between this, and I had it recording us taking off the front bumper, but it hit my volume button and it turned it off. Benefits of filming with your phone, I guess. But we went ahead and took the front off. It's right over there. Got the condenser just hanging right there, the old radiator. So you can see the damage right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little indented. Let me get it loose. Yeah, you can see it indented a little bit. That's because this fan like vibrated up against it, the little bulge. So don't know how we're gonna fix that. We might just try to find like a piece of plastic that can go fit over on top of this that might be able to help it, or we might just have to put some washers in between these, kind of space it out. I don't know, we haven't really discussed that. We just literally just pulled this off. So oh yeah, we're still replacing the dress up kit lines. It's just this hose in the back, this little piece right here, I'm guessing goes right down over here. And then we got another little elbow there, and then one for the coupler over here for the intercooler. So yeah, we'll I'll get back to filming whenever we get to like putting on the new radiator or whichever.